Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Kalia filling in for Deidrean. Spice the Crown Vibes Cartel King of Dancehall in what's expected to be a monumental moment for the culture. The God is the Greatest DJ will be officially crowned King of Dancehall on Friday, July 18, night one of Reggae Sumfest. In a sit-down with E Prime, executive producer of the festival, Joe Bogdanovich, revealed that Vibes Cartel personally requested to be crowned by the Queen of Dancehall herself, Spice.
The only person that he really wants to be crowned by is his queen, and that's Spice. And I think she'll be here for that. She's going out of her way to be here. We'll see what happens, but I believe he'll be here to do that. And that's a big deal. We have 4 crowns to choose from, by the way. And the one that we chose is the one that comes from India itself. Some big jewels in the thing, and it took a little insurance to get it here.
This also marks Vibes Cartel's first return to the Sumfest stage in 14 years. He'll headline night one alongside Governor, Skeng, and Chanel Muir. Street dance ignites Sumfest week in Montego Bay.
Yo! A party shot!
It's the kind of feedback every party promoter dreams of. And for the team behind Reggae Sumfest, it's like hearing sweet melodies straight from the heavens. On Monday evening, the festival week rolled on with its high-energy street dance inside the Sumfest City at Catherine Hall Stadium. One patron making his Sumfest debut shared with E Prime that he flew in all the way from New York to enjoy the festivities with his family.
I'm excited just to be part of the culture and dance and just be with all this good vibes throughout the whole week.
Another patron returning for her 4th year traveled from Maryland, calling Reggae Sumfest a must-see on her yearly calendar.
This is the best music right here at the street dance. Nothing but Jamaica got all of the best fun music right here. This is it. Yes.
It wasn't just tourists enjoying the vibe. Locals were fully immersed in the energy too.
Vibes nice, as you can see. Everybody really enjoy themselves. The vibes are chill, you see me?
Speaking with E Prime, Reggae Sumfest sponsorship manager Diallo Gordon explained the decision to move the pre-events from the Hip Strip's old hospital park to the stadium.
One thing we've strived to do is to kind of, well, I would say, make it easier for our patrons in terms of attendance and being able to come out. So what we've done is try to curate the week of festivities in the same region, so to speak, in the dormitory community of Catherine Hall. So with the exception of All White, which is at its home location of Pier 1, all the other pre-events, they're all at Catherine Hall Stadium.
And the excitement is building for night one of the festival this Friday, especially with Vibes Cartel set to headline.
It's so much fun! And it's gonna be even better when Vibes Cartel is here on the weekend.
Meanwhile, Montego Bay's very own DJ Liquid, who was a part of the selector lineup, made a call for more local DJs to be included in the festival events.
Over the years, some festivals are coming to Mobi, and I want to go there Mobi, bad selector, bad sound. So I just say some fest looking for some of the youth them in a Mobi, because them do them thing. Them bad like me. I'm bad like no better than no father youth. Just give them a run. Just look in, man. Whenever I say give everybody a chance. Just give few.
The Reggae Sumfest pre-events continue tonight with the much anticipated all-white party set for Pier 1. Make sure you guys roll out. And that's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Kalia. Thank you for watching.